Hello again. This is Tyler, lead counting instructor for the Legion of Counters, and I'd like to welcome you to counting lesson number 2. Before we get too far into this set of lessons, I would like to take some time to talk about counting. Let me start by reading you a definition of the word count. Count. Recite numbers in ascending order, usually starting at the number 1. Great. And I'll assume that since you are only on lesson 2, that you are a child, and hence need a further breakdown of that definition, since, unfortunately, you would only understand that definition if your reading comprehension was that of a junior in high school. The word recite, in this case, means to state in order. Here is an example of recite used in a sentence. She recited the dates and names of kings and queens. Okay, so when we see it used like that, we understand that we could replace recited with said, and it wouldn't change the meaning of that sentence. So then looking back at the definition of count, we can replace the word recite with the word say. When we do that, we change the definition to now be say numbers in ascending order, usually starting at the number 1. This is easier to understand and lowers the required reading comprehension to that of a sophomore in high school, but we have a long way to go before a child like you could understand this. Now, let's break down the phrase in ascending order. Merriam-Webster.com defines the expression of in ascending order as arranged in a series that begins with the least or smallest and ends with the greatest or largest. Okay, a bit of a mouthful, but let's examine the example sentence. Test scores are listed in ascending order from lowest to highest. With this sentence, it looks like we could replace in ascending order with going up. If we then do that same replacement with our definition of count, we then have say numbers going up, usually starting at the number 1. This lowers the necessary reading comprehension down to that of an average 8th grader, so we are getting much closer. Now, looking at the second half of the definition, we have usually starting at the number 1. Now look, you are a child, and a child needs firm rules. Mommy doesn't make rules like usually wash your hands after going to the bathroom, or usually don't bully and harass other children. That would be ridiculous. So let's take usually out of the equation. Let's change it from usually starting at the number 1 to the more definitive start at 1. Now, putting it all together, we get the simplified definition for count of say numbers going up, start at 1. And then to make the phrasing easier to swallow, let's make it say numbers, start at 1 and go up. Perfect. Grade level 0. Everyone should understand the definition now. So let's do it. Let's say numbers, start at 1 and go up. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160, 160.
160.